Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to fix mouse scroll wheel not working on your Windows PC. So first is guys, first method, you disable the browser extensions. So go to top right side and click on three dots and go to more tools, then select the extensions and disable here your extensions. And the second method is keep the mouse clean and dry. Hopefully guys this time it will fix your issue. And the third method, you open the device manager, right click on start and go to device manager. So now here guys, in the device manager you find the mic and other pointing devices. Open this, right click on mouse driver, select the update driver, select the browse my computer for drivers, then select the let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select the driver and click on next. After guys, you must and should restart your computer and try. Hopefully guys this time it will fix your issue. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.